What is the name of a well under pressure? Artesian well. What could cause high concentrations of nitrate in groundwater? Overfertilization of land. What is the equivalent of 3-log removal? 99.9%, or 999 out of 1,000. What is the purpose of a shaft sleeve in a pump? Text shaft from where at stuffing box. Gravimetric feeders are usually more accurate than volumetric feeders. That's true. What is the MCL for color? 15 color units, also a secondary standard. What is the MCL for nitrate? For nitrate, 10 milligrams per liter. What is the MCL for nitrite? The MCL for nitrite is 1 milligram per liter. Why is sodium thiosulfate added to sample bottles used in bacterial tests? To neutralize the chlorine. What is the MCL for odor? 3 ton, the MCL for odor, is also a secondary MCL. Definition of a public water system. A system that has 15 service connections or regularly serves an average of at least 25 individuals daily at least 60 days out of the year. Community versus non-community water system. Community system has 15 service connections used by all your residents or serves at least 25 all your residents. Any public water system that is not a community system is defined as non-community system, which is broken down into transient and non-transient. The non-transient, non-community system serves the same 25 people 6 months out of the year, such as schools and factories. It's usually the same people, but they don't live there. They generally have to follow the same rules as the community system. Transient, non-community system. They do not serve the same 25 people 60 days out of the year. Gas stations, campgrounds. This classification is used by the EPA in regulating nitrate levels and total coliform. Conventional water treatment, coagulation, flocculation, sedimentation, filtration, disinfection. What causes disinfection byproducts? Chlorine reacting with organic compounds produces DBPs, disinfection byproducts. What will cause scale to develop in water heaters, pipes, and fittings? Hard water. Why should air with chlorine never be pulled through a fan? Chlorine will cause corrosion and failure of working parts. At what temperature do fusible plugs on chlorine cylinders start to melt? 158 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the MCL for lead? 0.015 milligrams per liter at tap. What is the purpose of sedimentation? To settle out larger suspended particles. What is the purpose of coagulation? To use coagulant chemical that causes particles to clump. What is the MCL for copper? 1.3 milligrams per liter at the tap. What type of filtration is permitted under surface water treatment rule? Conventional, direct, slow sand, and diatomaceous earth. MCL for total coliform. No more than 5% if more than 40 samples taken. If less than 40, no more than 1. What are the 3 types of water rights? Riparian, appropriative, and prescriptive. Riparian, rights that are acquired with the title of the land. Appropriative, rights that are acquired for the beneficial use of water by following a specific legal procedure. And prescriptive, rights that are acquired by diverting water to which other parties may or may not have had prior claims and putting it to use for a period of time specified by statute. What do low pH and iron bacteria in water cause? Red water problems. A dosage of 3 parts chlorine to 1 part ammonia will form what compound? Monochloramine. What is the MCL for halocetic acid, HAA5s? 0.06 milligrams per liter. What is the MCL for trihalomethanes, TTHMs? 0.08 milligrams per liter.